We have an iPhone 12, and that's the problem. Let's fix it up. Cook the iPhone. Now we're gonna use our suction cup and our pry tool. Open it up. It opens up from the left side, which is super weird. It's also really hard to get open. Unscrew, remove the screen. Now we need to remove the camera. Remove. Now we can replace this cracked glass. Get out of here. Clean it up. Apply new adhesive. Place the new glass. Clamp it down for a little. Now let's test it out. Perfect. Now we have to reinstall everything, add the seal, and let's see if this phone crunches. Get that crunch, crunch again, and we're done. Good as new.